Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to our respected lecturers and friends that are watching this video. On this occasion, we will present the result of the PBL, the project that we designed, namely MealCrib.
Okay, for the first, I will explain what is MealCrib. MealCrib is a Python-based application made to serve as a fun and educational encryption tool. It leverages the Fernet encryption protocol and a custom MealFert dictionary for a unique twist.
So, MealCrib has quite a lot of main features, and first is text encryption. Convert text into secret codes. We are using Fernet on this method, and this decryption, which is like revert the secret codes back to original text. We are using Fernet 2 for this, and there are file encrypt and decryption. We are using Fernet to convert any file to a secret encrypted files, and we could convert it back by decrypt it. And there are MeowVert, convert text into cat sound text like meow, nya, and etc. And there are login feature, which is to log in, authenticate users, to enter the tools, and other features and register feature to allow user to log in with a rather secure password. We should use more than 8 characters, symbols, uppercase, lowercase, and numbers.
Okay, next is why should we use MeowCrib? There are few reasons why we should use MeowCrib. The first is MeowCrib is able to secure your text and files, and MeowCrib is user-friendly too. MeowCrib is fun for everyone, and MeowCrib has a unique encryption method.
So, we use several technologies to build this app, such as first, Python as the programming language, second, SQLite 3 as the database, and Fernet as the encryption method, and for the last, Tkinter as the graphical user interface.
So this is the main page. This is login page, and there are quite simple elements. There are username, we fill out with username, and there are login button and register button. We did all in one page, and there are button to about us. So this is a encryption page, the second page after you log in. There are quite simple elements. The first is the encrypt and decrypt text. We input the enter text when we could decrypt or encrypt it, and the result is under there, and we could copy the result to the clipboard, our clipboard. And the second is encrypt and decrypt file. There are two options: choose file to encrypt or decrypt. Then this will open your file manager to access a file, and then it will encrypt or decrypt it. And there are sign out button to sign out back to login page, and there are try MeowVert to go to the next page, which is MeowVert page. So this is the MeowVert page, the third page. This is quite simple, just like the previous text and file encryption. And this will convert our alphabet to meow and other cat sounds. And as the same as before, we could encrypt, decrypt, and copy the result to clipboard. And there are back button to back to the main tools page.
So in this page, we can see the MeowCrib usage flowchart. It begins with start, and then we insert our username and password. If you have an account, you can just log in, and if you don't, you can register first and then log in. And you can see the main menu. There is text to encrypt, text to decrypt, file to encrypt, file to decrypt, and try MeowVert. If you open one of them, and you will need to insert the text or file, and then you press the button whether it's encrypt or decrypt, and then you can get the result.
That's all from our presentation of MailCrypt. My name is Arya.
My name is Christina Gata Purba.
And I'm Muhammad Rizky Pradana. Thank you.